These alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glenn, Western Plumas. Vicinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. Mostly cloudy. Now return to our normal programming. Showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Any Bob in that?
Highs 58 to 66. South winds 10 to 25 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. A slight chance of rain showers until midnight. Lows 39 to 47. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs around 58. Northwest winds up to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows 36 to 44. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles.
Phooey.
Friday,
It's already finished anyways.
highs around 62. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glenn, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning.
That was a little bit of WWF 67, and there is thunder out there to the east from a storm that just dumped heavy rain over here earlier. Closing this door because it's cold.
At 11 a.m. At Chico, with partly sunny skies. Temperature 59. Southeast winds 26 miles an hour. Marysville, under partly sunny skies. 61 degrees.
Alright. Let me put this back on channel 7. There. Alright, let's take a quick rundown of who activated. 996 number 1 activated. 996 number 2 activated. 74210 activated. HH activated. Midland WR300 finally activated. Version 2 activated. This piece of garbage never activates. And last but not least, the ESP2100 activated. Shut that off. Yep. There you have it. Man, I like the 996s. Definitely glad I have 2 of them.